Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to explain and practically demonstrate how to retrieve operating system name, Java version, and user name for Selenium reports. You see, when we run our automation scripts, we can hard code this operating system name to be entered into one of the reports like extent reports of Selenium, whatever it is, and we can hard code this Java version, and we can hard code the username of this machine who is actually running the automation scripts in the machine. And these details, if hard coded, can also be inserted or added into this Selenium reports like extent reports. But we don't have to hard code always, right? So it's better not to hard code. Okay, naturally or dynamically, if we can retrieve this operating system name, if we know how to retrieve this operating system name or Java version and username from this computer, okay, and add them into the Selenium reports like extent reports, that will be good. So how to do this? We have to do this with the help of Java library, guys. Okay, Java is providing some options where we can retrieve the operating system name of this machine where this code, Java code, or the automation scripts are running, or it can be used with the same Java library can be used for retrieving the Java version and username of this machine. Okay, how to do this? I'm going to explain you and demonstrate you practically by quickly switching to this Eclipse IDE now. Here we have a sample project having a demo class, and inside that we have the main method. So now I'll show you directly how to use a Java library for retrieving this operating system name, Java version, username. Okay, this instead of hard coding, we are dynamically retrieving from using the Java library from this machine, and we can later add them to the reports. Okay, so first, guys, we have to know which properties exist. Okay, which properties we can retrieve by using this Java library. We have to know. For that, we have to write system. Okay, initially we have to write system.getProperties. Okay, use these properties dot list of, here type system.out. Okay, now run this statement. Okay, run this statement, guys. Run this code, and in the output you will get all the list of properties that you can retrieve from this machine using this Java library will come across. Okay, right click, run as Java application. You will get a list of properties with values. You see, these are all the list of properties, guys, that we can. You see, this is a property name and this is a property value. Okay, if you print out this property name, if you say system.getProperty of this, give this property name, you'll get the value, guys. Okay, that's how it works. But I don't need all these properties, guys. Okay, maybe for my reports, okay, when I run automation scripts for Selenium and I want to generate the extent report, and if I want to add all this, get all these property values dynamically from this list of properties and get them added into system, or get them added into the system or environment details section of the extent report or some other report, whatever it is, what I have to do is I'll not select all these properties, guys. I'll go with some properties, like for example, I'll go with operating system name. Okay, if I use this os.name, I can get this dynamically. Okay, if this, for example, if the script is running in Windows 10, we will get Windows 10 as output dynamically. Okay, so copy this OS name from the list of properties, and here write down system.out.println. Here I'll say operating system, some text I'll add, operating system colon space plus I'll append system.getProperty. System.getProperty, what is the property we want? I just paste the operating system name, OS name. Okay, and now after this OS name, I want to get one more thing. Let's say username I want, guys. Okay, username. I don't want all this stuff, guys. Okay, so here is something where we have the username, remaining all are not required. User.name is there. We'll go with the username. System.out.println username colon plus system.getProperty. Here I'll give the username of this machine. Okay, so every computer has some registered username, right? That username, so that we can know who is actually running the automation scripts in real time. Okay, and these details will be automatically added to the extent report, so that it's very sophisticated now. No hard coding, nothing, dynamically taking and putting into the report is what we are looking after. Okay, so then we have the username is done. Java version I want, system.out.println Java version I'll say, and I'll put plus system.getProperty. So what is that Java version thing we have? Let's see here. We have anything like Java version here. Yeah, Java version is here, guys. Copy this and paste it here. Now I'll comment this out so that this is only user for getting the list of properties that we can retrieve from this machine. So since I am fixing with the operating system username Java version as mentioned in the title also, retrieving the operating system name Java version username. That much is enough for me, guys. I don't want all the properties. Let me run this code and see whether these details are getting retrieved from this machine or not. So this machine contains an operating system known as Windows 11. Yes, my machine operating system is Windows 11. We got it dynamically. Username. Yes, username is Arun M. I'll show you guys how we can get the username. So I'll go to C drive. I'll go to the users folder, and in the users folder, you see Arun M is there. This is the username we got here. Okay, when we are configuring this operating system, right, we would have added this username. Okay, then Java version. What is the Java? That is Java version of the Java software that is currently installed in this machine. So you can do that. You can cross check here. Just type CMD here and say Java. Just type Java here. Just type Java hyphen version, and you'll get the, you see 17.0.5. Okay, the same thing we are getting here in the output. Okay, Java version is 17.0.5. Okay, currently at this moment. Okay, so this is how, guys, we can retrieve the operating system name Java version and username, and dynamically by using this Java library, and thereafter we can write some programming in our projects. Okay, in our Selenium projects too. Whatever the retrieved data, dynamically retrieved data of this operating system Java version and username, right, can be entered into the extent reports. Okay, so that's all for this session, guys. Thank you. Bye.